Alrighty guys, we're gonna try to load this puppy up. The tire's locked up and it doesn't move forward or back. So I don't know. See how this goes. 800 bucks. Runs, just doesn't move forward.
Tighten it up more. I'm gonna just let you get to the point. Can you put your pocket up more? Your pocket. Yeah, go up higher.
Crank this. I don't know how to use that one. So crazy freaking. He's trying to push it up with the backhoe, but it's pretty stuck. Help him out. You're.
You want to try and it seems like every time I move forward, but then I can't catch up. You know what I'm saying? Stop me. You want me to set back up and get some more tension on it? You move it like a foot at a time kind of thing. You know, there's no sense of just
Try this again. Your whole truck's lifted up in the back. Yeah, try to hold it there. You're almost there. Need a fucking winch.
I'm the winch.
You want me to do that?
Winch?
Not really helping because I got the camera, dude. Gotta film it, dude. The guy's a sender, I'll give it to him.
Yeah, I know.
He's sending it pretty good. That thing seems to be pulling on it pretty good. Dude, that backhoe works good too. The whole backhoe, it looks like everything works.
Yeah. Hey, get some eyes.
What?
Get some eye protection in the box.
Okay. Alright, so we got it halfway up. His truck is fully lifting off the ground. And the trailer is definitely not appreciating life. Alright, we got it up on here. Broke the trailer. It's alright. Try to get it on there a little more. Max, this is why we bought a trailer like this.
Yeah, exactly. Look at him,
Alright, we're gonna figure this out. Record, but we got a bunch done from the last clip. We got it all loaded up and we got it strapped down and chained as well. So yeah, we're gonna try to haul this thing home. We're gonna take it really slow. This thing weighs like 22,000 pounds. So yeah, we're just gonna take it slow and see how it goes. Hopefully it's all right. And then so the problem with this is that it runs, operates, you know, definitely leaks a little oil, but the tranny doesn't go forward or backward, and the rear brakes are locked up. So, you know, I'm gonna make a video on trying to fix this whole thing up and all of that. But for now, at least we got this thing. We got to try to get it home now, but I'm glad it's all loaded up and everything. It was a pain trying to push this thing on and pull it on with all the chains, but man, it's a good looking machine for the money we paid for it.
At the next light, turn left.
It's pretty heavy.
7,000 pounds, boy. 27,000 pounds.
27,000 pounds. It's fucking loaded. But see how she goes. We pulled over. We don't have enough tongue weight at all. You can almost tell the truck's lifted up in the back. We started to zigzag and almost forked the whole thing, so we're gonna try to figure this out. Maybe try to move it forward more or something right here in this parking lot. So let's figure this out. Get the tractor more forward to try to get the weight off the back. just got a whole lot worse. It just went through the boards that I just replaced. And yeah, so that's not good. So now we can't get it more forward. Alrighty guys, we got it moved forward a little bit more. The truck seems to have some more tongue weight and it looks way better. So I think we should be good. We're gonna take a sew and take back roads home. Got that all strapped up. It sucks that tire went through the board, but that's all right. Free deck boards, baby. Yeah, we're no towing experts. This is our first time towing heavy equipment. So I guess you learn the hard way. But we're gonna get this home and start unloading it. My hat. All right.
See it?
Well,
It's pissing.
we're pouring transmission fluid. Thank God we literally just pulled in the driveway. Thank God. Oh, we got it home. Thank God. It is pouring transmission fluid, so we'll have to figure that one out. But we got it home. We're gonna get it unloaded tonight. Alrighty guys, so we can't get this thing off the trailer. So we're working on the brakes and it doesn't really have any oil in it, so we're doing a full oil change, and we're also gonna put fluid inside the tranny to see if we can get it to move forward and backward. So we're just working on this thing today on the back of the trailer. Ricky's here. She's loving the new truck.
Looks better than yours.
Whatever. We'll get
Well,
there.
we added some fluid in the tranny, and we loosened the brake up, and now she's moving.
Is this sled there?